Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a flower out of a cherry tomato. So let me give you the steps. Okay, so for a cherry tomato flower, we're going to need cherry tomatoes, a cutting board, and a knife, okay? A boning knife. So what are you going to do? You're going to grab your cherry tomato and make a little incision through the seeds, okay? But just make sure you don't go all the way down so that way you don't cut your seeds. Same thing, you're going to do quarters, okay? Turn it around, same thing. And then just gonna look for the one that's gonna be open. There's none of them open. You're just gonna go like this, see, and open it. Same here. So you're gonna look for the where it's attached and just make a little cut so that way you can, get through the seeds, just like that. Same here, like this, and just pull back like that, okay? And don't worry if you screw up the seeds, in the first time. If you don't like this kind of flower, you can always take this out, the seeds, just remove them, and you have this kind of flower. If you don't like this one, then you just cut it in half, okay? Just like that. And here you have your little flower. Here I have already mined different types of flower from the same cherry tomato. So cherry tomato. Then this one, the 4 petals, 8 petals, and like that. So hopefully you guys like this idea or garnish. And thank you again. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook under Chef Alex Perez. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Enjoy.